In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in CoinGecko app. First of all, what you have to do is launch open CoinGecko application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here CoinGecko application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the market interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is very simple. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for login. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. You'll be able to find the login methods like Google, Apple and email over here. Tap on the login method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, continue with email. After you do that, what you have to do is enter your email address. So simply provide your email address over here. After you do that, tap on this option, continue with email. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter your password. Tap on the field of password and enter the password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter the password, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in CoinGecko app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.